Kaizer Chiefs are dominating the match tonight against Amazulu FC, with Ranga Chivaviro opening the scoring for the Amakhosi, followed by a brilliant goal from Gaston Sirino, extending their lead to 2-0, and fans are ecstatic both in the stadium and online, celebrating the team's performance. The atmosphere at the sold-out Moses Mabhida Stadium is electric, with every seat filled by passionate supporters. Halala to Amakhosi on this thrilling display. Fans are commenting on the X app, and one said, "Give us a Man City and Real Madrid. Kaizer Chiefs is on another level." Another one said, "Kaizer Chiefs just got 2 goals in just 16 minutes. We won't hear the end of it." Another one said, "I'm a Mamelodi Sundowns fan, but I say give Kaizer Chiefs the league already." Another one said, "As Kaizer Chiefs, we are ready for Springboks." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.